Welcome to my channel. So in this vlog, I'm going to show you how to do the persimmon jam filling. And then later on, we're going to preserve this. And we're going to preserve these persimmons. Okay. I have here the persimmon. I already cut it into pieces, small pieces. And then we have a cup of water, a cup of sugar, lemon zest, and lemon. Okay, so we're gonna put it here all together. To put the lemon juice, and then the lemon zest, okay, and then put it into a boil until it becomes a syrupy. So here's the persimmon jam filling that I'm doing. So now it's becoming syrupy, and then later on I'm going to put it in the food processor so that we can puree it. Okay, we have 12 jars, but I don't think that this will be enough for the 12 jars that we're going to preserve. So we're going to do a second batch of this jam filling. I hope the persimmon fruit in the trees are still enough to make a second batch. Now I'm doing the second batch of this persimmon jam filling. So this is the first batch. So you will see the consistency, it's very syrupy. But now I'm going to put that in the food processor to puree it together with this one. So I'm waiting for the second batch. Okay, so I already put the second batch. So this one is a combination of the first and the second batch. So with this consistency, I will let it cool, and then we're going to have it pureed. And then we're gonna put it in the jars. So we're going to puree this mixture of persimmon filling. With the food processor, we're going to puree it. Okay, so after boiling, we already put the jars here. We already turn it over, and we will put it here. So that it will dry, and then we will put the filling later, the jam later on. So this is very useful. You see, this is the jar tongue. So this is a good thing about this counter set, because you can always put this handle so that it will sit there. Wait for the filling to finish, and we're all done. Okay, so now we already sterilized the bottles or the jars. We already sterilized the lids, and we already finished making these persimmon jams. So what we're gonna do now is, we already pureed it, so what we're gonna do now is we will pour this in the jars. Okay, using our funnel. See, the funnel has a big opening for the jars. So we're going to put it here. Okay. Leave at least half inch. Put this around so that the bubbles, the air bubbles will be gone. Before you put the lid, to avoid to free up the air, so that it will be prevent contamination or destroy the food. And here, there are any excess food here, just wipe it down with a towel. And then here's your lid. Okay, tighten it, but it's not too tight, so that there's room for pressure. Hi guys, so here are the finished products now. We have out of the 12 we were able to do 7 persimmon jams. Okay, so after the sterilization and then cooking the persimmon jam filling, so here it is. Okay, thank you so much. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel, and please click the notification bell so that we can give you more updates regarding our videos. Thank you so much, and God bless.